Hi Bay Farmers, it's Miss Beth from Turn at the Toddler House. I'm here with my kids. We're trying to keep busy with some great activities, just to keep them in their schedule and their routine. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your daily emails with great activities and recipes, just to keep you guys going with your schedules as best we can while we're all home. So I'm keeping my two busy by doing a little baking. It's a great activity for the kids. They get to see the end product, and they also get to help out and really feel empowered to get to do things in the kitchen with their parents. So we're making some boxed muffins, just a simple boxed muffin. You could go from scratch if you really want to. This I find just is easier because there's just a few directions. They can read them and they can do them themselves. We've already put some of the ingredients in the bowl, and we've been waiting for our butter to cool, so we're gonna let my son, who melted the butter, pour it in himself and then get to whisk it. It can be scary letting the kids help out sometimes, but messes are okay. It's really great for them. All right, now you get to whisk it up.
Whisk it.
While he's whisking, I'm gonna have my daughter cut open with some child-safe scissors the pack of mix, and then she'll get to pour it in. Using scissors is great. It's really scary for toddlers sometimes. Actually, it's even scary watching her do it, to be honest. But if they don't get to try it with the child-safe scissor, then they'll never really learn, and it's really great for their fine motor skills. That looks great. So now I'm gonna do this. Will you help me while she mixes it in? Yeah, will you help me keep whisking?
And then whisk it.
Yep, you keep whisking while she pours it in, and we get it all mixed together. So while they do this, I'm going to show you a little tip. If you're making muffins and you have to put them into a pan, using an ice cream scoop or a small measuring cup for the kids will really help them be able to scoop it out and scoop it into the muffin tins on their own. So it's easier for us to do it, but things like this, for smaller toddler hands, a small measuring cup or a small scoop will just keep it easier for them. We're gonna get working on this. Hopefully our finished product will be delicious, and hopefully you guys are all enjoying your time with your family and also trying to keep your Montessori work going. Have a great day.